Ever wondered why your socks seem to get holes after just 2 wears? It is a common problem, but there are specific reasons behind it. Let us break down the top 5 causes and how you can make better choices for longer-lasting socks. The first reason is low-quality materials. Socks made from cheap fibers like low-grade polyester or thin cotton tend to wear out much faster than those made from higher-quality blends. These materials simply cannot withstand the daily friction and pressure your feet experience. Second, poor stitching creates weak points. If the seams are not reinforced or the stitching is uneven, those areas become vulnerable to tearing. Over time, even a small flaw in the stitching can lead to a big hole. Third, wearing the wrong size causes extra friction. Socks that are too tight or too loose will rub against your skin and shoes, increasing the chance of fabric breakdown and holes. Fourth, thin fabric at the toe and heel is a major culprit. These high-pressure areas need extra reinforcement, or they will wear out quickly. Fifth, harsh washing damages fibers. Hot water, rough cycles, and strong detergents can weaken the fabric, making holes appear sooner. To avoid these issues, choose socks with reinforced toes and heels, quality cotton blends, and strong stitching. Treat your socks gently in the wash and always pick the right size for your feet.